Okay, so we continue with another function in if function. Okay, I'm sorry, in exploring Excel function. So we want to use count by item. So before this, we using count for numbers, count for how many session we have. So we are using count. Now we want to count by item. So how many items we have. So we will using this function. So equal to, okay. So then we use another function we call as count. Okay, so we are using CountA. Okay, so count the number of cells in range that are not empty. So CountA, we are using value 1 until minimum. So for item, we are using CountA. So for research until reaching, okay, then you close the bracket and enter. Okay, so the difference between count and CountA. Count we are using for numbers, 1, 2, 3. And then for CountA, if we want to count using the text, text item. Okay, so using CountA, okay, from research to searching. So we have 6 items. Okay, and then we just drag this function to find out for each session. Okay, so we can put as this one. Okay, so next we want to count total price for item more than 300. Okay, so we will using this function equal to, okay, so we are using sum if. Okay, so sum if, so there are we are using this formula, so range, okay, between, okay, so range between B4 until B9. Okay, okay, then criteria, the argument which is greater than 300. Okay, okay, and then sum range, okay, see between this B4 until B9. Okay, then we click okay. Okay, so we will count only the item which are greater than 300. Okay, so now we have more than 300, so we have 500 plus 800, so we got 1300. Okay, then we just drag this one. Okay, so for spring session, so the item that greater than 300 is 350 plus with 350 plus 600 plus 450. So we have about 1750. And for this example, the total price for item more than 300. So we have 500 plus 325. Okay, then we get 825. Then we want to calculate discount 10% for item more than 300. So we will calculate equal to, okay, so discount for item more than 300. So we can have this figure, and then we okay, so we have to convert 10% to decimal, so we put as 0.1. okay, and then we have 130, okay, for discount, okay, which item are more than 300. Okay, so total price for other item, so means that we want to count the total price other than more than 300, so equal to, okay, we have total, so then we minus with the total price, Yes, then. Okay. So this one we get the total price for other item. Okay. If you want to check either this figure is correct, so just test equal to get total price of more than 300 plus with total price for other item. So this figure must be equal. Okay. Right. Okay. I'll just check. Okay. So between total price more than 300 and total price for other items. So we have the same calculation, means that this formula are correct. Okay. Okay, so I think this one. Okay, so that's all for lesson 3. We have to change this sheet to, we can put as, okay, Excel function, sorry, function. Okay, so it's a function, then we can save our file. Okay, we save as. Okay, then we put under our folder. So for example, I have for this semester. Okay, then put, okay, lab session. Okay, then I name it as lesson 3. Okay, exploring. Okay, so exploring Excel function. Exploring Excel function. Okay, and you save your work. Okay, so now we save as lesson 3, exploring Excel function. Then we will see how to print. Okay, using the page setup. Okay, we choose the landscape. Okay, so margin horizontally. Click OK. So we want this will display in one pages. So click page setup, fit to size, then click OK. Okay, so then we have the. Okay, then we want to put our header and footer. Okay, we can use this function. Okay, so we put as lesson 3. Then for put footer, okay, you can choose. Okay, so prepared by, or I just put, okay, just put a simple one. Let's say page 1. Okay. Okay, so now we have lesson 3 exploring function page 1. Okay, we go back to, or you can using this function. Okay. Okay, so we want to add another info for this file. So we go to print. Okay, then we have page setup. So we look at the header and footer. We can add up to write down. Also, we have custom header. Okay, so for custom header, you can put as CSC 408. Okay, semester October 2020 until February 2021. Okay, then we click OK. Okay, so then we choose custom footer. Okay, you must put as prepared by, okay, by your name. Okay, so let's say I put my name. Okay, sorry. Okay, and then shift enter, then you put your ID number. Okay, then you put your student number. Okay, so for example, put S. Okay, for you, I want you to write your own name and then put your student number. Okay, then you click OK, then click OK. Okay, so now we have this header, CSC for semester. So this is our lesson. Okay, so prepared by whom. Okay, if you want to change this one, so page, okay, then click for header and footer, we can change, so custom footer. Okay, we can put our page here, so we can choose insert number page. Okay, we can use this one. Okay, so sorry, I changed to, okay, just click this one, number of page. Okay, so this one we delete. Okay, then we add with page. Okay, page, then you click OK. Okay, then click OK. Okay, so now we have page 1 here. Okay, so much better. Or if you want to put this page at the top, okay, we can change again. So go to header and footer, so you go to custom, so now we put here. Okay, okay, so put number of pages, then we want to page. Okay, page, then we click OK. So now for footer, we delete this one. Okay, you delete this, then you click OK. So now, so we have page number at the top of your report. Okay. Okay, so that's all for lesson 3. So please do from this example and submit your work in Microsoft Teams. Okay guys, have a nice day. See you in the next lesson.